Good morning, students. I am Lakshmi Mari. I am taking third standard math subject. Today's our first topic is four-digit numbers. In previous class, you have learned ordering numbers, ascending order or descending order. Now, in this class, you have learned forming numbers. Forming numbers. It is great fun to form numbers according to certain given conditions. You can play it as a game at any time and any place and with no material required. Here we will discuss very simple conditions. You can extend it and create many more conditions of your choice. Study the following examples. First example, what is the largest number that can be formed using the digits 3, 9, 2 and 0? What is the largest number that can be formed using the digits 3, 9, 2 and 0? And the solution, to form the largest number, write the largest digit in the largest place. Continue with the remaining digits in the same manner as four digits are given, of which 9 is the largest. 9 will be in the thousands place. So, write 9 is in the thousands place. 3 will occupy the hundreds place. 2 the tens place and 0 the ones place. Thus, the required number is 9320. 9320. Second example, write the smallest four-digit number that can be formed using the digits 8, 0, 1 and 3. Write the smallest four-digit number that can be formed using the digits 8, 0, 1 and 3. And the solution is, to form the smallest number, write the smallest digit in the largest place and continue. We get the number 0, 1, 3 and 8. 138. But this is only a three-digit number, as 0 in the thousands place has no value. Hence, interchange the digits 0 and 1. Thus, the required number is 1300, 1038. 1000. Thus, the required number is 1038. Third example, what is the largest four-digit number that can be formed using all the digits 1, 2 and 5? What is the largest four-digit number that can be formed using all the digits 1, 2 and 5? And solution, step 1, write the digits in descending order. We have 5 to 1. Step 2, to get the largest four-digit number, repeat the largest of the given numbers, that is 5. Step 3, write the required number with the largest digit 5 in the largest two places. Thus, 5521 is the required number. 5521 is the required number. Next concept is rounding of numbers. Father said around 400 guests are expected for the wedding lunch. Do you think that there will be exactly 400 guests at the wedding? Obviously not. Why did father say 400 and not 300? Father has rounded off the number. When we round off a number, we get an approximate value, not the exact one. But the approximate value is enough in many cases. In the following examples, we shall consider rounding off to the nearest tens and hundreds. Example first, round off 52 to the nearest tens. Round off 52 to the nearest tens. Solution, observe that 52 is between 50 and 60. Observe that 52 is between 50 and 60. That is 50 less than 52 less than 60. From the number line, you see that 52 is nearer to 50 than to 60. Thus, 52 is rounded down to 50. Thus, 52 is rounded down to 50. Example second, round off 37 to the nearest tens. Round off 37 to the nearest tens. Solution is 30 less than 37 less than 40. 30 less than 37 less than 40. 37 is nearer to 40 than to 30. 37 is nearer to 40 than to 30. Thus, 37 is rounded up to 40. Thus, 37 is rounded up to 40. Example third, round off 238 to the nearest hundreds. Round off 238 to the nearest hundreds. Solution, as we need to round off to the nearest hundreds, we consider 200 and 300. Here 200 less than 238 less than 300. 238 is nearer to 200 than to 300. Thus, 238 is rounded down to 200. Fourth example, round off 750 to the nearest hundreds. Round off 750 to the nearest hundreds, and solution is 700 less than 750 less than 800. As 750 is exactly midway between 700 and 800. It is rounded up to 800. It is rounded up to 800. Exercise 1.4. From the largest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using all the given digits. See, students, the given numbers are 7, 1, 5 and 2. And the largest number is 7, 5, 2 and 1. The largest 4-digit number is 7521 and the smallest number is 1257. The smallest 4-digit number is 1257. Second example, the given numbers are 6, 8, 3 and 4. The largest 4-digit number is 8647. 3. 8643, and the smallest 4-digit number is 3468, and the smallest 4-digit number is 3468. And last one, the given numbers are 9061. The largest number is 9610, and the smallest number is 1069. The smallest 4-digit number is 1069, and the largest 4-digit number is 9610. At home, write in your maths class book. So students, now it's time to take the homework. Write, form the largest 4-digit numbers using all the given digits. Any one digit may be repeated, and round up to the nearest tens and hundreds in your maths homework book and send on the WhatsApp. Thank you.